Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one that wanted to do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tranqui Kid 07. How y'all doing out there, guys? For my new subscribers, what's popping? And for no one that always been this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all for real, for real. So how everybody doing out there, guys? I appreciate the support. I appreciate the love. So we just got back. Well, we didn't just get back, but we just went to New York City to go pick up a lowrider bike for I could restore the homie's lowrider bike. All right. So we have it here in the garage right now. About to get everything taken apart. We just got a lot of new parts for the bike, but we're gonna be building probably another bike behind it, but we're gonna be storing this one bike. All right guys, as I can see right here, we got the bike on the mechanic stand. We're gonna be taking everything apart, polishing everything in here. Everything's gonna get polished up. Rust is gonna be coming off, the whole 9 yards. All right, so let's start it. So what I like to do first is take off I'm gonna be taking off the rim. That's cool. Take that off. And the other side as well. Taking all this off. Like you see, this was bent. I'm gonna see if I can put it back to normal without breaking it. I'll do that later on. I ain't gonna mess with it right now. Everything is apart. We got the bumper right there. With the rim off. All this is gonna come off right now. That's coming off. This is coming off right here. You always, like I always say, you always want to put the bolts back where it goes at. Any screw, any bolts, you always want to put it back where it goes at. We got the Continental kit and we got the Sissy bar. Like I always say, you want to put the bolts back where it goes at. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look, I just took this off. This goes back on. Goes back on where it came from. Same thing with the bolt. This one right here. Boom, put it back. Because you don't want to, they're easy to get lost. So you don't want to lose them. Easy, way easier to get lost. Boom, we got that out. Alright, that's our next thing we're going to take out. Next thing we're going to take out. The seat. It's too big. Get this out the way. I don't want to step on that. There's the seat. Got that up. Got that. I'm gonna take off the you're taking off the steering wheel. It's pretty cold in here, guys. I'm a little cold right now. I'm gonna have to pull out the bullet soon. Alright, so we got the steering wheel out, nice and easy. We got this out right here. Now we gotta get the anchor, which is this. This is the anchor right here. That's out. I'm gonna get that bad boy out. that part out. Take that out. We're taking this out as well. We're gonna get this bike completely naked. Everything completely naked. We got the forks out. Put this back together. That one back together. All right. Now we gotta get the pedals out. Let's get this out real quick. Got the fenders out, the back fender. Like I said, put the bolts back in. Come over here, take this off. My WD-40 at. We gotta add in the WD-40. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let that sit overnight Cause it's too cold in here for right now for I can do this right now. But I'm gonna give you a little closer look of what we're gonna be cleaning off, what we're gonna be restoring. All right, guys. So this is what we cleaning off. You see this right here, a little rust. That's gonna be coming off. You see this right here, rust. That's gonna be coming off as well. You see all this? That's gonna be coming off. All that's gonna be coming off. All this is gonna be coming off. You see that in there? All that's gonna be coming off. And this is all the parts that came off of it. All that's gonna get cleaned up. And I'm gonna show you how to clean it up in the next video. All right. On the next video, I'm gonna show you how to clean this your chrome up from rust, get it all polished up, bring it back to life on the next video. All right, guys. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for the love. Thank you guys so much for the support. You know, and that y'all tuning in. You know, and that y'all showing love to the channel. That's what I love to do, guys. You know what I mean? I love to build lowrider bikes, and I love to restore lowrider bikes. I love to bring them back to life because I can't see a lowrider bike, you know, getting you know, all rusted up. I can't see a lowrider bike, you know, going in a bad direction. You know, so I like to get them and restore them. So if you have any lowrider bikes out there, guys, that is, need to be restored, or you know, wait till my part 2 videos and you can do it yourself. You know what I mean? This is how I restore my own lowrider bikes or any lowrider bikes that I get in my hands. But like I said, guys, I just want to thank you for the support and thank you for the love. And like I always say, keep building, keep riding, keep living. All right, guys. God bless y'all. Always pray. Never forget to pray. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.